In the heart of the Pride Lands, where the grass whispered stories of old and the sky painted the sunset in vibrant colors, lived Leo, the young and spirited Lion King. Known for his boundless energy and love for adventure, Leo was not just a king, he was a friend to all. When his school announced a camping trip, Leo's excitement knew no bounds. He saw it as the perfect opportunity to bond with his friends outside the familiar grounds of the Pride Lands. The group included Nala, his lifelong companion, Simba, his cousin, and a fellow adventurer, Kiara, who was curious about everything, and a mix of other young animals from different species, including Timon's nephew, Tomon, and a shy gazelle named Giselle. Together, they set off towards the Great Savannah, a place famed for its starlit skies and untamed beauty.